Singh from NCR Faridabad. This is my video regarding one spiritual object which I give name as PENTA, which you can see on the wall itself. This is the object, and I'll explain to you about it now. This is PENTA, you can see. This is PENTA here again. This is PENTA, you can see the stick. And I'm going to explain. You will find it little truncated because I'm just focusing it on the wall itself. It's not down. And now you can see this. I'll explain to you about this, why I'm calling it PENTA, what relevance it has got with spiritual science. Well, what I'm explaining to you about spiritual science, it is nothing to do with what people call spiritual science. I'm just stressing about science of application of spirituality. Application of spirituality means applied spiritual numbers, which called 0 to 9, and how it is related to our soul system. That's what I'm talking about. Now, this PENTA which I have just told you, it is a five-sided figure. Five-sided, you can say side 1, then you can say side 2, side 3, and then side 4 and side 5. This PENTA means 5. Pentagon. There can be regular pentagon, there can be irregular pentagon. But this has got nothing to do with the geometry of the subject. I am talking it about side and a symbol only. It's an indication. How it is related to spiritual science? Yes, it is related to spiritual science because number 5, as I narrated earlier, is a control number. It's a God's number, where God is located. So I call it number 5. How it works? It's simple to say how it works. It works with everyone. 8 number is the number of system. If you see, I have taken number 8 on the top. And before that, I'll explain to you about this significance here. You can see the stick. There are 2 triangles. There's another triangle. These opposite each other. So this means there are 6 corners here and 1 hexagon inside and 6 triangles outside. I have given this, we call it in India, Bharat, symbol of Devi, means godmother. That's one thing. Another aspect is, it is given number 8 and number 5, which are very significant. 8 is the number of system, 5 is the number of control. This is one symbol. Just down there you will see another 8, which is located within double squares. Then it also relates to Buddhism. When you go to this one, swastika and Om and 444 and a circle of swastika and moon, etc. And then again this is also related to German and also to India, Bharat, and so many places. Then go to another number, which is Islamic number here, which is related to 786 or Allah. This is the location of stars and moon. Then you go to another number, another circle, which is this cruciform, relates to Christianity. And you go to another one, which is here. This is Sikhism, Al-Ekam Kal, Satnam, etc., etc. I have taken all these. You see, I could not explain to you about that, which is this 4x4 here, and this is cruciform. This is then Ekam Kal. This is Islamic, and as I told, is this one, and in between is human being with his bones and heads and bones, etc., and shield, etc. This eyes, toes. This is indication of what I'm talking about. I have taken around these a combination of 5 combination of 5 here and combination of 5 here and combination of all 5 around, which indicates control combinations. This chart was originally created on 30 September 1994 and later revised. This was a result of my you can say intuition or occult science or imagination or hypothecation or dreaming, whatever you may call it. I don't have any proclamation on that. These numbers are given very important here. If you see in the exactly here, this is number 81, which is 81. 8 is number of system, 1 is number of entry, exit, authority, etc. This means system entry or system exit or system authority, like that. You remember I just explained to you about 9 numbers, 10 numbers, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Number 0 was has been contained in circle, in 0 circle, which is containing all your planetary system. The number 1 was number at the organ of anybody, organ of human being, which is entry, exit, authority, etc. Number 2 is the location of semen, where semen is stored. Number 3 is at the navel, which is making and breaking. Number 4 is located at heart, which is pumping zone, which is emotional zone, which is liquid zone. And go to number 5, which is God's location, golok, which is that zone. Number 6 is the forehead, which is thinking zone, processes zone, decision zone, romantic zone, and destructive zone as well. Tension zone, you may say. Number 7 is aura zone on the top of the head, which is a connection between system and human being. Number 8 is total network. Number 9, I told you, fire number within 0 circle, and number 0 itself is 0. This explanation I already given to you, if you remember. Let's now consider these numbers. I have taken this 5 around, means control is around. Within this control there is a total Srishti, or you can say universe. This 888 or anywhere 888 or 888, which is, you can say, 111 times system, 111 times 8. This is like equivalence to natural power, equivalent to spiritual power. This spiritual power is spread all over the universe. I have given here 7885, which I call 7885. 7 is number of aura, 5 is number of control. Aura is connection to God, 5 is control, ultimate. 888 is in between the two. We can call it this way also. 7 is illumination, 5 is control. Illumination control of 888. Illumination control of Srishti. Illumination control of universe. This is what I am going to 7885. Or we can also call it Jai Srishti control. Jai Srishti control, you can say Jai Srishti Dharma. 5 is also, you can say, Dharma indirectly. 7885, I give it to number of darkness, number of, because after darkness light appears. So this is number of MAHAKALEE also. You can say this is number of Kali, 7885. Generally, I give this code to people who consult with me about their problems, because this is a number which cleans your aura, which cleans your soul, like scanning a system, scanning computer. This is a scan number of, it can deplete your impurities from soul. It's not easy to understand, but it does. If you memorize this number 7885, you will be successful in purifying your soul power, your electromagnets in that, out of that, and good power will enter there. So I explained to you why what is 88, 81, then 7885. There is number 786. This 786, people may call it this Islamic number, but no, I don't consider it as Islamic. This is a number of, you can see this now. Yes, let's take it like this. You see this 786, the combination of 7 is success or aura, 8 is system, and 6 is head. This means 6 is work, 8 is link, 7 is success. Our work will link to success, you can select that. Whatever work we are doing at 6 should be connected, means 8 is link, system, and 7 is success. Means whatever work I do, it should be successful. This means that 786 is that nothing to do with Islam or nothing to do with anything else. It is What I am going to do should be successful is a prayer to God. 786, that's all. Then let's go to another number, 306. 306. 3 is making or breaking. 0 is there, means 10 times making or breaking. 6 means work, decision, judgment, etc. Whatever I am making 100%, 10 times, whatever I am making full, often is OFTEN. Often, 10 means often, it should be full. 100% making should be there for my work. Whatever work I should do should be fully made. Then it is 307. You can say 30 is the same meaning. 7 is or success. Whatever I do should be successful. Then 302. 30 means same whole making of 2 means material. Whatever material is there should be made. That's what it means. It is so simple to understand, but difficult to pick up. Before explaining further, I like to show what I have written at the bottom of this chart, so that it has nothing to be claimed about. Sorry, I have written here PENTA here, and 78525, 75555, 72225. I will use 3 numbers here. 7 and 5 are common in all numbers. 8, 5 and 2, 5, 5, 5 and 2, 2, 2. You see, I consider 8, 5, 2 as basics numbers. 8, 5 and 2. These are basic numbers in fact. Then 5, 5, 5 is control number and 2, 2, 2 is material number. These are general codes. The other numbers also written 7, 7, 7, 7, 5. 7, 5 is common everywhere. 7, 6, 6, 4, 5. These all having similar type of meaning. 7, 5 has common meaning, while 7, 7, 7, etc. have different types of meaning. 7, 8, 2, 8, 5, 2 means you have mastery of numbers. 8, 5, 2 are master numbers in fact. 5 is control, 8 is system, 2 is material. There is control for the system material. It should be materialized. 8, 5, 2. It starts from 8, goes to 5. And 8 means it starts in system, goes to 5 and then goes to material. It materializes. Whatever control is there, systems control is it materializes. And then 7 triple 5 5 means triple 5, control. Master control. Master control is success. 7 5. Then 7 triple 2 5. So this is Saraswati, you may say, this is Lakshmi, you may say, and this other Devi, you may say, Vishnu Devi or Kali Devi. 7 8 5 2 5 is like complete mother god. 7 triple 5 5 means Saraswati. 5 is Saraswati or God control. Then 7 triple 2 5 means material control, Lakshmi. Then 7 triple 7 5 means success is there only always. 7 6 4 6 6 means unlimited brain power, unlimited brain move. 7 6 6 4 unlimited brain move. These numbers have their own type of indications which you can yourself take. Then 885 here. 888 means system. Everywhere it is 888 system. Everywhere I have taken. If you see here, I have given all numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. For ultimate control, 876 spiritual system. The title is like that. Now, I have written here a note that receive this sacred source support only on faith. If you don't trust this, please don't discard it. If you do not believe, please do not discard it. And if you believe it, you can use it. And I have given a mantra here also, which is a formula code, which is written 7 octa-octalion 5 to power infinity. Again I repeat, 7 octa-octalion 5 to power infinity. It is very big number, very big power, very big control. It's not easy to understand. If you apply mathematics, if you know mathematics, you can very well understand. I'll explain to you after a few seconds, few moments. Before that, I explained this 78885. What is 78885? Again, I explain. 7 means illumination or Jai. 5 means religion, dharam, or control or secret and everything. Jai dharam, Jai secrecy, Jai srishti, universal secrecy. This means whatever is there in the universe should be clearly known to me. That is 78885. And whatever is there in the universe, you can know only when you know the secrecy. When secrecy comes to you, even by assistance of God, by help of God, by support of God, or by your own application of mind, you can get 78885. This is the system which I explained to you. It is a mantra code. Yes, it is a mantra code. If you memorize this number, you will deplete all your negativism from your soul, and your body would work fine and your mind would work fine. Similarly, I have written here number 333 on the top of this, number 666 here. 666 here and 66 here. I use 3, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 1, 2 and 3 because brain applies 3. It applies for construction, it applies for maintenance, and it applies for destruction as well. 666, 666 and 666. Let me go again down so that you explain. Yes, sorry, again I explain. Triple head, if you go to head here, you will see, let it come down. I think it's the zooming itself. Yes, it is here. Yeah, 666, 666 and 666 here. I explained to you this is construction, destruction, and maintenance. Because mind works in all these three spheres. That's why I taken here. 333 means it applies for making. And then 111 there, 444 there. Then 555 here and 777 here. 9 and 9 here. Then 9 here. Yes, these are just chain of numbers which are written, which is a complete sequence in any application of mind. Here I have written 59, 58, 57, 55 is the number of control, means 9 should be controlled, 8 should be controlled, 7 should be controlled. Because 9 is the number of fire, it's the number of hard work, it's a struggle. If you control this, you will be successful. Similarly, if you control system, you will be successful. If you control success, you will be successful controlling me. This is what I am saying. I am not commanding anything, but I am just trying to explain what was thought inside me. So this penta is a secret chart. This, you can say, is a system of MAHAKALEE, is a system of Maha-knowledge, is a system of great knowledge, is a great God. It takes you to God, it takes you to all secrecy of God. I don't want to pull this video too long, just trying to explain. I think it's already 17-18 minutes on this. This penta, if you believe this, if you trust in this, you can use for your negativism removal, negative energy removal. You can use it very well, no problem. You try yourself. If you are successful, if you believe it, you get the results, you do it. Otherwise, don't do it. Now, it is related to Tantra actually. Tantra. You know, there are so many spiritual leaders or spiritual gurus or self-appointed godmen who say that they can do whatever they wish. They may say, everybody has got right to say anything or claim anything, but I don't mean as such right. I don't believe what they say. What I am saying here is that it is work you have to do, and based on that work you will get the success. No one is God man, no one is spiritual guru, because the spiritual guru cannot be there. You are your own guru. There are only some gurus in the universe and they are gods. Kali is guru, Kali is the universe in charge. Three Devis are guru, three Devas, three gods, Vishnu, Brahma and Shiva. Devis are God. Those powers who have spiritual energy with them, spiritual command with them, only they can be gurus. Human can never be guru. Human can be a guide. Human can be a director. You cannot consider any human as guru. This is utter nonsense. Those who call themselves, yes, it is a shop, they can have their business, any guru, I don't name them, they can earn money, they can make money, they can go in Mercedes and Chevrolet and use whatever they are, but that has nothing to do with spiritualism. I am talking about applied spiritualism, I am not talking about spiritualism, but people understand. If these numbers, if you remember, if you memorize 78885 and you use it, it will work very well. I am not talking about 78885. Again, I am going to original. This is 7 octonian 5 to power unity here. Explain. Let me say again, because you cannot see this. Here it is. Yes, this is the number here. Where you see the stick. I think you cannot see the stick. Let me explain again. You cannot see the stick in this. Let me position my video, my picture again. Yes, I think it's okay now. You see this? Again, it's going up. What is this? I don't know. Yeah, it is here. Just quickly, you see this? This 7 octolion, 5 to power infinity. This is the number. This is the mantra. This is a very big code. If you successfully remember 78885 and use it for your life, you will have energies to store within you, which can use this mantra for digestion. Digestion not for food, digestion for your soul. 7 octa-octollion 5 to power infinity. Let us consider what does it mean. You see here, 7 and 5 are same as explained earlier. What I am explaining is octa-octollion. What is octa-octollion? Octa-octollion. Do you know what is octa-octollion? Octa means 8. Octagon in geometry you call it. Octagon in mathematics you call it. Octollion. Billion. Trillion. Billion, trillion we call it. So let's say that lien is octa. 8 billion. Octollion means where billion stands for 100 crores. What octollion stands for? You can imagine octa-octollion. This means octollion times octa. Octollion times 8 to power infinity. Everybody knows what is infinity, no need of explanation. 7 octa-octollion 5 to power infinity. 7 octollion times octa, then 5 means formula closes, then power infinity. This is simple formula you can use after you digest 78885. If this formula you use, you will completely hold the soul in your body. But this should be secretly done better. If you can do openly, it's fine, no problem, no harm. But if you do it secretly, all bad spirits will go away from you. But they fear you then. Now, after this also there are many formulas which, for example, 7 octa-octollion times octa-octollion 5 to power infinity. What I'm saying, listen again. 7 octa-octollion times octa-octollion 5 to power infinity. Means octa-octollion times octa-octollion. Means further means is multiplied by octa-octollion. And in this formula you can further expand by using this. For example, you use your God, for example Jesus Christ, let us say, or Ram, or anyone. You want to say Ram or Jesus Christ or Allah or anybody in your prayer. Don't speak one time. You speak, for example, 7 octa-octollion, Jesus 5 to power infinity, or 7 octa-octollion Kali 5 to power infinity, or 7 octa-octollion Allah 5 to power infinity, or 7 octa-octollion Ram 5 to power infinity, or 7 octa-octollion XYZ 5 to power infinity. In one mantra you will pray so many times. No need of praying so many times. In one half a minute or 20 seconds you can pray so many times. For example, you can say 7 octa-octollion. Imagine there's a bracket. 7 octa-octollion Om Bhur-Bhuva Swaha Tat Savitur-Vareniyam. Om Bhur-Bhuva Swaha Tat Savitur-Vareniyam. Then you can close it. 5 to power infinity. I did not come in there full mantra, but it can be narrated. Anything you can write. 7 octa-octollion times octa-octollion. Yada yada hi dharmasya galanirvavati bharate abhyuthanam adharmasya radham srijamyaham praritrnaya sadhunam vinachaya cha duskritam dharam samsatha panarthaya sambhavami yuge yuge. When you speak 5 to power infinity, means that yada has been repeated so many times. Om Bhur-Bhuva Swaha Tat Savitur-Vareniyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi, etc. is repeated so many times. Any mantra you can repeat here so many times. This is a support system. This is a carriage system. All this chart is carriage. This penta. When you imagine 78885, all this system will move with the mantra. Whole this system. When you, as many times you repeat 78885, all the system will go with that mantra. If you think good for someone, that's 7 5. And if you think for someone, all this power will go to that person. And if you think negatively for someone, all this power will go to that person. And once you have developed power, you are a tantric, genuine tantric, without using any material. You are just thinking and throwing your power on others, or projectiling your power on others. That is what I have to say here. So when I was somewhere outside India, it was in 30 September 94, I used this device in 2000 and then drove on AutoCAD, because I used to draw it as by using my hand, which didn't work very well, but now it's okay. I'm speaking only English because everybody can understand, but later on I'll express this in Hindi also. It's not a big deal. मैंने ये कहा था आपसे that बाद में दूंगा, लेकिन थोड़ा सा दे रहा हूँ। तो पेंटा इसका नाम है और 7 मंत्र इसमें चलता है। बाकी 7 octolion 5 to power infinity में मंत्र है, लेकिन इसमें बहुत सारे नंबर दिए हुए। फॉर एग्जाम्पल जैसा यहाँ से 888 में सृष्टि का नंबर है, 7 सृष्टि का नंबर है, और बहुत सारे नंबर है जो बातें बताएंगे आपको हिंदी के अंदर। अभी इतना है और मैं कहता हूँ अगर आप इसको यूज़ करेंगे आपकी मर्जी है, कोई इस पर कमांड नहीं, कोई दावा नहीं है, लेकिन ये है कि ये एक अच्छा सिस्टम है। अगर आप इट्स अ गुड सिस्टम यूज, सो फाइन this number, you use it, you will get good answer yourself. If you believe it, please do not if you believe it, use it or don't discard. If you do not believe, please do not disregard. This is spiritual number. If you use it, fine, you can imagine this and get this done. I think it is sufficient for this explanation. I don't think you need more explanation on this. Is it right? Thank you very much. This is Singh from Faridabad, and that's all. I think I stop it now. Thank you very much, gentlemen. And thank you for attention.